Hello all, welcome to our channel. The first of all main important is called how to set up the Google AdWords account as a beginners. Major question is called beginner will be facing the problem will be to create the account will be in Google AdWords account. So what is the major mistakes? So what is the mistake will be creating account will be here. So the mistake will be how to rectify it. That is the major one is called first of all select the one Google AdWords account. I'm taking one of the website name is called seasonswim.com. This website is we're looking for swimming pools, particular areas like Kondapur, Abish, Tangban, and Madhapur, Eragadda. These are the particular location wise. I can target the audience purpose. How I can create by Google AdWords account. This video purely for beginners. How we can set up the Google AdWords account. Who are expert, you know everything. I understand. But this video will be most of the preference will be for beginner purpose. Go to adwords.google.com. There are the 4 steps you can follow it. Create account. The step is 4 nothing but there are the multiple steps are there, but major will be 4 steps. There is called new Google ad account, switch ad account. But we are looking for new Google ad account. When you click the Google ad account, the first of all create by the smart campaign ad. So what is the smart campaign ad? This will be useful by who are created by Google Map ads. Smart campaign will be useful by the Google Map purpose. So that is called just scroll down. What are the maps we have? Based on that, we can create the account. But we are create the Google AdWords account. What will go for switch to expert mode. One is the classic mode. Second will be expert mode. Classic mode is the name is called Smart Campaign. Is a previous is called Google AdWords Express. The previous call name is Google AdWords Express. Now will be called as the Smart Campaign. After Smart Campaign, we don't go with the Smart Campaign option. Regarding if you go Smart Campaign option, they allocated only for Google Maps campaign, not for the search, not for display. But expert mode, they will be useful by n number of ads. Discovery, n number of ads will be go into. So we'll go with the switch to expert mode. After click for expert mode, they can see these are the certain goals. Are looking for sales, first campaign, leads purpose, second campaign, only for website traffic, third campaign. This is the only for available by 2 modules, display and video campaign. This is called product and brand awareness. Like you are into kind of any kind of product, we have to reach the publics. What is that called? Encourage people to explore your product and service. Any product. Interview question. Can I promote Amazon product through display? It is possible or not? Yes, it's possible. YouTube possible? Yes, it is possible. Any video we can make it to promote through product also. Not only sale, not only for Amazon website required. No require any website. Video also eligible to sell your products. That is the number of people using for Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube ads. YouTube ads will be skip ad, non-skippable ads. So many will be here. The based on you can create by these 2 ads. If you want go for awareness about your channel. This is useful for who are starting for any YouTube channel person. This ad will be help. Reason less budget, more reach. People know about your particular YouTube channel. That is the purpose this ad will be created. This is only particular what for display and video. This ad will be only for video. This will be number of campaigns. Sale will be different types are there. Search, display, performance, discovery, shopping and video. If it is a website traffic, search, performance, display, discover and shopping and video. These are the particular things. See, the two will be not acceptable. Next here. App promotion. App promotion nothing but if it is iOS or Android. There are two things. New app install, existing app engagement. There are two. Someone already install your map, engagement purpose. But we can use that app once again. We can give request. First two option, we have to encourage app installs. There's a two options. So that is called this one. App pre-registration, app install. This will be new app installation purpose. Second will be existing app engagement purpose. See, get your user to pre-registration on your app before launch is another option. First option, get new people to install your app. Two things. Exist user installing, suppose the existing user already uninstalled. You can encourage install with new app. So this will be encouragement. Second one is called before launching, we have to engagement our ad pre-registration. Suppose I'm launching Big C mobile application. Who will register before application app launch? I'll give the 50% off. So automatic people will be registered. These are all kind of app promotions. And final one is called, this is the important is called local store visit, which is the maps are there. How many maps on your particular location? The based on maps, this ad will be create local store and particular visit. When click here, perform a max, reach audience across all of global, so Google with a single campaign. One campaign reaching for entered one. So this campaign will select it and click for continue. Sir, I don't have any goals. I have to create my own campaign. Last option. Create any certain goals. My goal is not website traffic, my YouTube, something like that. I'm not looking for any goal. I can promote my website. That campaign. Search, perform Max, display, video, app, smart campaign, discover ad. In one discovery, this ad will allocated by the Gmail, discover ad, and YouTube. This one ad will be supported by all kind of platforms, and they will support by the mobile and tablet and PC also. But certain changes are required. Laptop also. What are the changes? We know about the discover ad. That all videos are available into the particular. My channel will be available here. So clear. Any account creating time, you can perfectly create by option. So right now, I have to goal or without goal, which is the way I preferred. I can go with the option. But sir, I have to target my Google Maps. What we can go? The option name is called Smart Campaign. When you click the Smart Campaign, click for continue, and we can start your particular campaign option. So right now I'm not clear the campaign. I'll go to the switch mode. So we can go with this option will be here. What is called create an account without a campaign. Right now, not create any campaign. First of all, I set up my account. Sir, without campaign, what is the reason of set up account? Your address, your details. First, you can finish it. Without information, account will be not fulfilled. You create the campaign, nothing to run the campaign. First of all, create the proper profile. After that, create your campaign. It. So first of all, I'll set up the profit here. So we can call. Remember, in one Google Ad account, we can create a number of accounts. Each account will be different countries. One account will be India, one account will be US. But once you select the country, we can't change the country once again. Suppose I'm changing with Indian rupees, that account. So the account lifetime is running with the Indian currency. We can't change the currency. Suppose before starting I'm changing currency, same currency will be continued. Suppose I'm selecting US dollars. The account lifetime in US dollars. So I have to change the Indian currency. What will I create another account? You can create by the another account. So automatically one account will be India, one account will be US. Login password will be same, but we have create the multiple accounts. So we are personalized campaign guidelines from Google Expert phone. No required. Submit it. So explore your account perfectly. So we log in one Gmail password. Can you create number of accounts is possible or not? Yes, is possible. That is called go with this option here. An account will be create purpose. Here is account. So if you want another create account, what option you will switch account, or we can go with the here is the option. Right now setup in progress. Once the account will be created, add your another account option. So one Gmail, we can create number of account. Each account we can add the n number of countries. But once you select the country, we can't change the country here. Simple logic, tools and setting, go to billing summary, careful to watch. What are the steps are very important. See, I click. I can change country. When you set up time, country will be showing number of countries. But after setup, country will be once. So I have to go another country, create another account. You can create by another account. So right now is one account is there. Once you can go with, you can call with switch account. Is it clear? So this is the way very important for here. After this one, your organization or individual. I am going to individual. Here we can always selected by the money transfer. Your first time account will be set up time. Compass add budget. So right now I'm not adding budget. I have to set up my perfect account. Go with the money transfer. Click it. Address Hyderabad, Madhapur, postal code, Telangana. Submit. So any added amount will be added here. Not required. Complete. Reason? I'm adding payment with will be money transfer. Once again, remember the money transfer is only eligible for India. Other countries, this option is not eligible. So that is the reason what account will set up. Anytime you can add by the billing setup is called money transfer. Remember. So what is the money transfer purpose? Anytime add funds, they can show will be four options. What are the four options? Net banking, credit and debit card, Paytm wallet. Anytime you can change the currency. That is called money transfer in India. But yes, credit or debit card or PayPal. No other option. We have to set up the budget, money transfer, not available. Only available by India with the money transfer. That is anytime I'm changing the my credit and debit card and Paytm wallet. So which is more effective or more important? The payment method, most of the things use the Paytm wallet for Indian currency. Reason, we can add the budget on time. So for one simple mistake, your last amount will be total credit card balance. So be careful to add the budget. Use debit card on the option. Don't use credit card on the AdWords account. This is a be alert on the account. Use Paytm wallet or debit card. Why? Which is amount will be very less. That is we can go. If you use a credit card, how much your credit card 90,000 they will be lost completely. Sometimes you do mistakes. This only will be do this when do the mistakes. So ads are more understand to create the accounts. So this will be here done by make the payment. Nothing to ask. So remember interview question. Make the payment option is valid only for Indian currency. Other currency not eligible. So this is the level we can current account. After account will be set up, start the campaign. Same with the goal option. Is it clear? So this is the way you can account will be set up on particular website with the proper potential will be here. Compulsory once your account will be created, running properly. Don't use the wrong keywords. They will affected by your Google ads. Properly maintained by the each and every one. So if any further question Google AdWords creation, please contact my channel and definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.